Hi, this is Suna Senman again with reading 32 from A Course of Love. And by now we know this is Jesus who is authoring, and I will begin with the last paragraph from reading 31. What is the opposite of separation but being joined in relationship? Everything joined with you in relationship is holy because of what you are. Every contrast that you see here but points to this truth. Evil is only seen in relationship to good. Chaos is only seen in relationship to peace. While you see these as separate things, you do not see what the relationship would show you. Contrast demonstrates, which is why it is a favorite teaching device of the Holy Spirit. Contrast demonstrates only to reveal the relationship that exists between truth and illusion. When you choose to deny relationship, you choose a thought system based on the opposite of your reality. Thus, each choice to deny union reveals its opposite. What is separate from peace is chaos. What is separate from good is evil. What is separate from the truth is insane. Since you cannot be separate, all these factors that oppose your reality exist only in opposition to it. This is what you choose to create when you choose to pretend you can be what you cannot be. You choose to live in opposition to the truth, and the opposition is of your making. Choose again, and let go of your fear of what the truth will bring. What could be more insane than that which you now call sanity? What loss can there be in joining with what is so like yourself? It is only a small step away from where you currently stand, so helpless and alone. You fear you do, yet fear you do, and the maintenance of your fear keeps you very busy. You stroke its fire lest it go out and leave you to a warmth not of this world. This is the warmth that you would have, warmth so all-pervasive no chill of winter never ever arise again. And yet, still you choose the fire. You choose the fires of hell to the light of heaven. Only you can stroke those fires, and this is what makes them desirable to you. A warmth not of this world given freely, with no work involved, causes you to shake your head. How can it be for you if you cannot put in effort to attain it? And if it were so, what then? Some, you think, might choose to live near the equator, to have the sunshine every day, and the need to stroke the fire put behind them. But not you. You think, prefer the seasons, the cold as well as the warmth, the snow as well as the rain, the dark of night, and the clouds that block the sun. Without all of these, what would life be? Perpetual sunshine would be too easy, too lacking in imagination, too sterile. To have every day the same would be uninteresting now. Perhaps later, maybe when you're old and have grown weary of the world, then perhaps you'll sit in the sun. This is the heaven of your mind, the meaning you give to joining, the face you put on eternal peace. With such a vision in your mind, it is no wonder that you choose it not, and that you put it off until the end of your days. A heaven such as this would be for the old and the infirm, the ones ready to leave the world, those who have already grown worn out from it. What fun would such heaven be for those of you still young and full of vigor? Those still willing to face another battle. Those who have not yet faced every challenge. If there is a mountain left to climb, why choose heaven? Surely it can be chosen later when disease has taken your limbs, used from your control, and your mind no longer races forward to what is next. Eagerness for life and eagerness for heaven are seen to be in opposition. Heaven and its milieu of eternal peace is rightly kept, you think, for the end of life. And so you scream at the unfairness when a young one leaves the world. Heaven is not for the young, you say. How unfair that those who die young had not had a chance at life, a chance to face the struggle and the challenge, the coming of the new day and the dying of the old. How sad they have not had the opportunity to stand separate and alone and to become what they would become. What they are is no more valued than what you are. What is still to come is what you live for, with the undying hope that it will not be that which came before. For every challenge faced is but a call to face the next, and each one comes to replace the old with hope that this one will be the one, and equal hope that it will not. To succeed is but a little death from what you must hurry on to where the challenge of new success and new reasons to exist awaits. The carrot of fulfillment you hold before yourself, when grasped, is quickly eaten and left, and life feeds on itself once again. Just as you eat to still your hunger only to become hungry again, so does the rest of your life need this constant maintenance to retain the reality you have given it. Struggle to succeed and struggle yet another day is the life you have made, and the life you fear heaven would replace. To give up the idea that this is where meaning is found, fulfillment attained, happiness birthed among sorrow, is seen as giving up. Heaven's help is most called upon for just this time, and this time when giving up is close, for never do you feel more in need of help than when all your plans have failed and giving up becomes an alternative more attractive than carrying on. Breathe deeply, reflect, and enjoy today.